What up, Holmes?
What are you doing?
Enjoying the sunset, waiting on dinner.
You staying for dinner?
I wasn't gonna, but your lovely fiancée and her new gal pal insisted.
Yeah, I gotta put a stop to that.
What are you, nuts? This is a perfect setup for you.
How do you figure?
Do you like to go shopping?
No.
Zippy does. Do you like to watch chick flicks?
No.
Zippy does. Do you like to talk for hours about your feelings?
No.
Zippy do.
Right.
He digs the trench, you lay the pipe.
How could I not see this? Alan's not the competition. He's her gay friend.
There you go. Your life is perfect.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Now be an angel and get me another beer.
Absolutely.
Jiminy, I'm drunk.
Man.
Oh, I hate to do this to you, but using the existing S in the top row with R-E before it and I-Z-I-N-G after it, hitting 2 triple word scores, and it's a bingo. Resizing, 120 points.
Oh my God, you play for blood, don't you?
Let me tell you something, Chelsea. When it comes to Scrabble, nice guys finish with a rack full of tiles.
What do you mean it's not a word?
I mean, it's not a word. Try again.
Charlie Horny.
Another glass of wine?
I love one. Now? But Alan and I are playing Scrabble.
Well, I'm playing Scrabble. I don't know what she's doing.
I'm improving is what I'm doing. I want a rematch. Good night, Alan.